Okay, so welcome to the bonus training on the bridge page. I've mentioned it a couple of times kind of in passing, but now I want to really go in depth with you about what a bridge page is and why we use it. So first of all, the bridge page is, by its name, it's located between the opt-in and the thank you pages. So it actually serves as a bridge for your person entering your funnel to go from the opt-in to the thank you page. They have to get to the thank you page through the bridge page, the way we will have it set up. So it's typically used when promoting an affiliate offer. So you are promoting someone else's product that they've created, and typically they will provide you with a generic funnel that everyone who's promoting that product will have access to. So the bridge page can really be a way for you to set yourself apart from the competition. And there are some other things that the bridge page will do that even if you create your own funnel from scratch, you may want to use a bridge page just because of some of the other things that we're going to talk about. But promoting affiliate offers is typically where we see a bridge page inserted into a funnel. It provides an opportunity to introduce yourself to the person opting into your list and looking at your offer on the thank you page. So this is kind of putting a personal spin to it, letting them see your face, hear your voice, get to kind of connect with you just in a few minutes. But I like the bridge page because people now know what I look like, what I sound like when they see my emails come into their inbox. There's a little more personal relationship than if it's just an email. Also, inside on my email, I always include my picture at the bottom, and so again, they can connect that picture with the person they saw on the bridge page video. It's also your first opportunity to start beginning to build trust with your list. People are going to buy from you when they know, like, and trust you. So you have to build a relationship. And you can do that in the bridge page by offering some bonuses that they weren't expecting. Perhaps it's a second ebook. It's a free report that they didn't know they were getting. It could be a 30-minute coaching call from you. Again, putting that personal spin on it, but something of value that they didn't know they were getting. It just kind of gears them towards wanting to open your emails when they come in, because not only do you deliver what you promise, but you over-deliver, and the bridge page really can be your opportunity to prove to them that you can over-deliver. So we're going to get out of this and get over into Clickfunnels and start building that bridge page. Okay, so here we are with back in Clickfunnels, and I am not going to be working with the funnel that we created in the other two videos, mainly because I want to show you what I mean about how we can use this in an affiliate situation. So what I've done is I've selected a funnel that is from Anthony Morrison, and it features him on both the opt-in page and the landing and the thank you page. And I'm going to show you what that looks like right here. We'll get into the editor and then do a preview. So we're going to preview this page, and you will see that it features Anthony talking. Okay, so he's telling them about the 2 awards that he won for creating $2 million in sales, $1 million on each funnel. And he explains that one of the funnels that allowed him to win one of those awards is the funnel that he's giving away on this page. So they like what they hear, they click the button, it drops down, they put in their information, and then it goes to the thank you page, where again we have Anthony talking. And what he's going to do is he is going to tell them what steps to follow to actually get that funnel. And so that's what's on the thank you page, is Anthony basically just giving the instructions as to how they go about getting ownership of that profit cycle funnel. So we are going to go back here and go back to the beginning. And we want to create a bridge page between that opt-in and that thank you that is going to feature us instead of Anthony. This is going to be a chance for us to insert ourselves into the process. And you're going to see what that looks like. So we're going to add a step. And I'm just going to call this a bridge page. Same thing here. Create funnel. Create step. And you'll notice that it always puts it down here at the bottom. That's not where we want it. So we get this little finger here. We're going to right click it and we're just going to drag it up in between there. And so that's what we want. This is our landing page, our opt-in page. This is our thank you page, and we have now our bridge page in between them. So again, we can look at several different options for templates. There's one that I really like for a bridge page, and it's this one right here. So we're going to go into the editor, and I'm going to make this thing really simple compared to what it looks like now. I'm going to take a lot of stuff out. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this right here because I don't want it. I am going to put in a new column there, and I'm going to add a headline. And I'm going to, I want to change my font, change my text color to white, and I'm going to actually change this background here. Don't like that black, I want to brighten it up a little bit. So I'm going to throw some red in there. Didn't do it. Okay. Try this. Background. I think I selected the wrong thing the last time. Okay. Let's go back here and try this again. Background color. I did text color. That was my mistake. Alright. So now we've got this all red. I'm going to... Don't you love it when I make mistakes? You can see how to correct things. Believe me, I still make mistakes. Welcome and congratulations. But I also like it when I make mistakes because it shows you just how easy it is to work with Clickfunnels and change things up. And I'm going to get rid of all this stuff down here at the bottom, and again, it's real easy. We just put it in the trash can. It's all gone. I'm going to actually get rid of this, and I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to get rid of this. I'm also going to change my background because I don't like that gray. So I'm going to brighten things up a little bit and hit some blue in there. This download button, I'm going to, first of all, I want to change the action on it. It's not going to open a pop-up. It's going to submit the page. That means it's going to make it go to the next page. So it's not a download. I'm going to change this to say, click here when video ends. Okay. I'm going to come down here and I'm going to stay with our theme. Make that a red button. Okay, I like that. Submit the page. Okay, so I'm going to change this. Put your funnel is next. Okay, I'm going to change this stuff here. I'm going to say, please watch this video to find out about a very special free bonus. This is going to allow you to get to success with your new funnel faster. You're going to be amazed at this offer. And I'm going to say free offer. Okay, and I want to change that to left justified, and I want to come in here and I want to make this font a little bigger just so that they see it. There we go. All right, a couple of things down here. Always kind of check down here at the bottom. It's always kind of nice to have this in here. And you always want to update the copyright. All right, so now we've got everything fixed. We're going to save this. And we're going to go back over here to our landing page. And I'm going to actually refresh it one more time. And now, when I submit my information, it now takes us to our bridge page. Oh, okay, I missed a step. You see this guy right here? We've missed a big piece. I forgot to add my video in. Again, those wonderful errors. So it's YouTube. I have actually created a YouTube video specifically for this bridge page. So I'm going to copy it. But while I've got you here, I want to show you something. This video is only going to make sense inside this funnel to someone who's coming through the funnel. If someone lands on your YouTube page and sees this video, it's not going to make any sense to them. So anytime you shoot a video for an ad or a capture page like this that can't stand alone without some context around it, always make sure that you mark it as unlisted on your YouTube channel, because that way people are not going to be able to find it when they go there. Okay, so that's just my kind of YouTube tip of the day while we're doing this. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to paste this in, and I am going to get out of that and save it. And now I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to refresh this. And that looks a lot better because you've got my face there. Okay, so this is my bridge page video for this funnel that has Anthony on the landing page and the thank you page. And so I'm just going to let you listen. I'm going to start it, and kind of talk about the things that I've included in this video. Okay, so first thing I did was introduce myself, told them where I'm from, working out of my home office, and I also let them know that I am one of Anthony's students. I'm using the same funnel that they are about to get, and I'm having success with it, and I'm confident that they will as well. Okay, so I've told them that they are getting an email from me to expect it, that they need to go over and look for it. They need to, if it's not in their inbox, they need to go over and look in their spam folder. If it happened to land in their spam folder, they need to move it back over to the inbox and whitelist my email address so that they make sure and get emails from me. Okay, so that's my bridge page video. I introduced myself. I told them to go look for an email from me. I told them that I was going to give them an added bonus that really is of value and works hand in hand with the lead magnet that they actually clicked on the offer for to begin with. And then I offered them my personal assistance if they needed it. So I'm trying to, again, build a relationship with the folks coming through this funnel and onto my list to let them know that I'm not just, giving them something and then it's on to the next. That I am there for them as they go through this process. So with that said, then all they have to do is click here and it's taken them over to the landing page. So you now can see how we have successfully put a bridge page that really does introduce us to our list as they come onto that list, in between an opt-in and a thank you page that actually features someone else because we are an affiliate. And again, you know, if you can offer more value here, that builds that trust with your list. So I hope that this explains what a bridge page is and why we use it and how we can use it, and really how simple it is to create and stick in there to help introduce your list to you as they're coming on it. And if you have any questions at all, you know, again, get in contact with me. I'll say the same thing to you, because if you're watching this, you're inside my training site anyway, most likely. And if you have problems, if you have questions, please get in touch with me. I hope this video series has been of value, and I'm going to do one more very short video just to kind of wrap things up. So be looking for that to be done real soon, and I will talk to you all later. Bye-bye.